welcome back to my channel. Today is a collaboration video with Crafty Michelle and we're going to be doing Alice in Wonderland projects. So as I said, this is a collab, so please go and check out everybody else who's participating in the description box below. You'll find the link so you can go to their channel and have a look at what projects they've been making. So for this first week of the collab, I have made a little flip book. And I'm going to be sending this to my sister-in-law in America, so I'm hoping she's not watching. I made this book out of 2 pieces of black cardstock, which was 12 by 12, and I folded them and glued them together to make this little booklet. I've added some baker's twine and a key charm to the side, although I might have to fix my little bow there. Just so you know, on all of the ribbons and twines and stuff that I'm showing, I did actually burn the ends to stop them from fraying. So this is a really simple book. I primarily wanted to use up all of the things left over from this kit that I'd bought, and I didn't have a lot of full sheets of paper left, so I couldn't make my base with patterned paper, but you could totally do that if you wanted to. But as I said, I was using up scrap, so I often didn't have full sheets. I had a few stickers left and bits and pieces, and then I just added in my embellishments. And just before I get into showing you everything, I just wanted to show you how I hold my scraps of a kit. So I had the main sheet on the top, and then I had the big sheets of scrap paper in between, and then the sticker sheet. And as you can see, I literally have 4 stickers left or something. So I'll cut those out and put them in my sticker storage. And then these are the scraps that I've got left. So you can see really tiny amounts, and I'll go through these and decide which ones I'm going to throw away and which ones I'm going to add to my scrap bin. But I love this storage solution before I'm going to start doing a project, because I can put in scraps of ribbons that I want to use and all sorts, and it really helps. And if you don't want to make a big album, you can also make one out of 1 sheet of 12 by 12, and you get these little pockets, and that's also another cute idea if you don't want to make a big one, or you have really tiny scraps to use up. Okay, back to the project. So I created the cover with some scraps and one of the stickers, and then I fussy cut this little Alice out of one of the papers. The next page was one of the few larger scraps that I had, so I wanted to do a whole page, and this page is themed around the Queen and painting the roses red. This was a image on one of the papers. I just die cut it out, and it's a little tuck flap, so I can tuck in like a card or a photo or a little message from my sister under there, and it will stay in there. Then I made these little cards, and I fussy cut some of the frames, and I used my tiny attacher to add some ribbon just to help them be easier to pull in and out. I added this white border. I really loved it, and the reason why I added it is because I didn't have any pattern paper on the back here, and so when it was just black on black, it was hard to see that there was something here that you could actually pull it out. So I did that to draw the eye in. However, I don't recommend doing this again, because this white pen, it dries like chalk and it just comes off. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it's kind of messy and I kind of regret doing it. So I wish I hadn't done that. I would go for a Stardust pen, or maybe another white pen that doesn't rub off. And I was using my normal gel pen. It is a Signo broad pen. I don't normally have problems with it, but then I don't normally put it next to other things where it's rubbing all the time, so probably not the best application, but I just wanted to share that with you. So I did another one with the rabbit on, and I did another one with the key design. I just used some scraps, and on this side I have some teacups, and then on the back page I have one of the stickers, some gold washi, and a tiny sticker of a butterfly down there. So that's the first page. This first page also has a pull-out pocket at the top, so it's plain on the back. I'm going to add photos to that, and then I'm probably going to do some journaling on that side. And these are just some scrap ribbons I've had. This ribbon's been in my stash for years. I love it. I wish I could find some more, but I can't. I think it was a Pebbles one. I used it to make cupcakes after my wedding, like paper cupcakes, not, yeah, I wouldn't put ribbon on real cupcakes, obviously. So the next page I wanted to do was an Alice page. So again, this was another one that I had a bit more of. I did a little die cut frame of Alice there, which is popped up, and I made some more cards. So I made Always Be Kind, and this is a tag pocket. This was a scrap and a sticker from the kit, and then I fussy cut this long strip that was on one of the 12 by 12 border sheets and just made it look cute. I thought my sister would appreciate that. And then I put a little bunny on there. I just couldn't resist. And I've done another little bunny on this one. I know it's supposed to be a white bunny, but you know, sometimes when you've had these things in your stash for years and they're cute and you just want to use them. So here's another one. That's again where that annoying gel pen rubbed off, but I'm not going to scrap it because it took me far too long. I might try and see if there's a way I can seal it later before I send it. And this does erase off, so I can clean it up before I send it. So yeah, this is another scrap. I'm probably going to do some journaling down here, and again I've just added some nice little decorations. And behind the pocket I added a little frame of a flower. That was a tongue twister. Okay, and then I think this is a side pocket, but I've forgotten to put something in it, so I might go and make another. Oh no, that's because I put two in the wrong pocket. So this is my Alice card that goes in the side pocket. I just tied some ribbon around the card so that I can pull it out from here in case it gets stuck. I've stuck this down with double-sided tape to stop the ribbon sliding up and down. It does a little bit, but maybe you could use some wet glue as well. This is the first time I've ever made one of these, so it's not perfect. And I also stapled it here just to add some sturdiness to it, and that's held up pretty well. So I'll go ahead and put this back in the correct place. Ooh, it's a bit of a tight fit, but I don't mind. I didn't want it to be too thick because I have to send it to America. Okay, another page. This one is mostly around the rabbit, and I used a sticker there and a little teacup and some washi, and I made a journaling card with Alice on. And Alice really reminds me of my sister-in-law. She's got blonde hair and fair complexion like that, so yeah. I can't wait to fill this up and send it to her with all the pictures in. Okay, and then this is another side pocket. So I have another journaling card, and then another one on the back. I'm going to stick a photo over this so it won't slide up and down as much when I finish decorating it. But yeah, I wanted to... Ooh, my little ribbon fell off. I'll fix it later. I didn't want to put all the photos in while I was showing everyone on the internet because I don't know if my sister wants her face on the internet. Okay, then I had this sheet that was a full 12 by 12 sheet, so I thought I'd do a butterfly page, and then I added the teapot sticker, and then I had a couple of scraps. I just wanted to make this page more interesting because I'm intending to put a journaling spot here with a few notes and then photos on this side. And then this last top one has another journaling card, and this is a quote that I say to my sister-in-law a lot, and her sparkling is a theme that comes through a lot of the projects I've given her, so I wanted to include this one, and I just added a sticker on the back. And I have no idea what I'm going to write on this one. I might just leave it plain like that. Yeah, I might, or I might not. Haven't decided. Okay, and then this one's a bit tight. There you go. Oh, one thing I would say is I use double-sided tape to fix these pages together, and my cards get stuck pulling them in and out, so I really recommend using wet glue. And then on the back I had this large sticker, so I wanted to put the tea party on the back along with the largest scrap that I had left of this paper. and that just finishes off my little book. I know that it's not a big project, although it did take me quite some time. I think I did this over, it took me a day and an evening, so maybe a whole day altogether, because I stopped and had breaks. So it wasn't a really long project, so I really enjoyed it from that perspective, but it was definitely more involved because you have more like things to create and construction to do, but it was super fun. I really enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys would give this project a try, and I can't wait to see what everyone else does with their collab videos, so I'm going to go and watch those now. Thanks for watching, everyone. Oh, and before I go, if you like this album and you want to see a bigger album that I made with Alice in Wonderland, there will be a link at the end of the video and you can go ahead and watch that. But please do come back and watch the other collabs. Bye!